Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what we found here is that a big and strong support zone is on the test. The price of 1.0575, 1.0580. You can see the market traded lower, but the market went actually way too fast, way too far towards the support zone, which can make this to be like a climatic movement. And you know, climatic movement will usually can the market can stop around, maybe go sideways, or even start to reject, especially around this strong support zone. So my advice basically is to watch for potential reaction higher, and if there will be a reaction higher and some follow through to the upside, there is a chance for the price to retrace and to go higher going into the US session. So this zone is critical to watch and observe, and from my perspective, you know, if the market can sustain below the 1.0570 mark, and if market can trade and have a follow through to the downside, then the next support zone will be at 1.0510. But for now, because this seems like a climatic move, the market went way too fast, way too far, there is a potential that we might see some rotation back and maybe even trying to retrace of this zone and make rotation back towards upper references. Speaking of the gold market, we spoke about this. We had actually a breakout. We just show you of this critical resistance zone that was around 1820 mark. And market sustained above, even traded like more like with the higher lows. You can see here, market traded with the higher lows and had a strong resistance zone. From other side, I don't see any big resistance at this stage, but we do have cluster at 1870 mark, and we will see this morning there was a breakout to the upside during the Tokyo session, and for now market is trying to reject back. If the market will find again buyers on the downside, then the market can still trade higher towards 1870 mark. If the market will just you know, if the supply is in control and go all the way down without having a reaction from buyers, so there is a chance maybe for a fake breakout of this area. So for now, you know, watching for retracement and watching to see if the buyers will start to join on the pullback will be, from my perspective, the key focus on the gold market. Speaking of the crude oil market, here reached our upside objective at 80.81 mark, but we can see the strong rejection of this resistance zone, which is kind of sign that there is potential for the rotation down. And for now, I don't see any kind of, you know, the very important support zone is set at 79 mark, 78.90 mark. So if the market can trade lower, this first initial reaction was not good for confirmation to the upside. So from my perspective, there might be some reaction for the downside towards this now support zone. So watch for that potential rotation to the downside. And the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we broke the key resistance zone. You can see here we broke the key resistance zone. Market did a retest, but we created also this resistance zone now here, which is active, and market reacted very aggressively. So market is trading just back and forth towards this 16,780 like resistance and 16,640 like support. And there is a chance for another retest of this. So watch for this trading range and eventual breakout to confirm the third direction. And that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.